Brilliantorg critical thinking and logic pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think improving critical thinking and problem-solving skills requires expensive courses or formal education, but the surprising truth is that Brilliantorg offers an engaging and interactive platform at a reasonable price. Brilliant offers a single premium subscription at $99 per month or $88 annually. This gives unlimited access to all courses in mathematics, science, logic, and computer science. You'll find interactive lessons that encourage active problem-solving rather than passive reading, making concepts stick more effectively. For example, someone wanting to sharpen reasoning skills can explore the logic course to learn about puzzles, proofs, and deductive thinking. Each module provides step-by-step explanations, interactive challenges, and hints that guide learners through problem-solving without giving away answers. This approach reinforces understanding and encourages independent thinking. Brilliant also features daily problems to keep your brain engaged, skill assessments to track progress, and guided paths that build mastery over time. Whether you're preparing for exams, enhancing professional reasoning, or just love learning, Brilliant's approach keeps you motivated and consistently challenged. In conclusion, Brilliantorg offers excellent value for developing critical thinking and logic skills. The single premium subscription unlocks a vast library of interactive courses and practice problems, making it an ideal choice for lifelong learners who want to strengthen reasoning skills and tackle complex problems effectively.